Prepare to revolutionize your kitchen game with the electric vacuum food sealer. Because let's face it, keeping your food fresh is a serious business. This isn't just a sealer, it's the superhero cape your leftovers have been waiting for, swooping in to save the day with a satisfying whoosh of freshness. Crafted with more precision than a Michelin star chef's knife, the electric vacuum food sealer is here to make sure your groceries don't just sit in the fridge, they party in a vacuum-sealed VIP section. Picture it as the bouncer for your edibles, making sure no staleness or freezer burn gets past its watchful seal. And here's the kicker. This vacuum sealer isn't just about preservation. It's about extending the shelf life of your favorite snacks and ingredients. It's like a time machine for your food, allowing you to savor that homemade lasagna or that fresh catch of the day as if you just made the magic happen in the kitchen. What sets this electric wonder apart? It's not just about sealing, it's about giving your food an airtight cocoon of protection. It's like sending your groceries to a spa, where they come out looking and tasting rejuvenated, ready for their close-up in your next culinary masterpiece. Moreover, the electric vacuum food sealer is a multitasking maestro. It doesn't just seal bags, it's your partner in crime for marinating meats, prepping sous vide delights, or keeping that bag of potato chips as crispy as the day you opened it. It's the kitchen assistant you never knew you needed, until now. But wait, there's more. The vacuum sealer is also your ticket to winning the battle against the dreaded freezer burn. Say goodbye to icy crystals on your ice cream, or frosty surprises on your frozen veggies. It's like a superhero movie plot twist, but for your freezer aisle. And for the skeptics wondering about ease of use, worry not. This electric marvel is as user-friendly as your favorite social media app. Just press a button and voila, your food is sealed and ready for its extended stay in freshness paradise. It's so simple, even your pet goldfish could operate it. Okay, maybe not the goldfish, but you get the idea. I think in conclusion, the electric vacuum food sealer isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's the unsung hero of your culinary adventures. Its thoughtful design, versatility, and freshness preserving superpowers make it a must-have for anyone who takes their food seriously. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like.